Most people think online learning platforms are all the same, but here's the surprising truth. The way you learn matters more than what you learn. Today, we're reviewing DataCamp from a real usage experience perspective, so you can decide if it's worth your time and money. DataCamp is an online learning platform focused on data skills like Python, SQL, R, data science, and machine learning. It is designed for beginners and professionals who want hands-on learning rather than long lectures. The first thing you notice is the interactive style. Instead of watching long videos, you write code directly in your browser. The platform gives instant feedback, which helps you learn faster and avoid common mistakes. This approach keeps you engaged and builds confidence quickly. DataCamp offers hundreds of courses and career tracks. A typical track may take 2 to 6 months to complete, depending on your pace. Courses are broken into short lessons, usually 5 to 10 minutes each, which makes it easy to learn daily. One of the biggest strengths is structure. You don't have to guess what to learn next. The career tracks guide you from beginner to job-ready skills. Many users report feeling more confident applying for data-related roles after completing a track. The downside is that DataCamp is not free. While there are some trial lessons, full access requires a subscription. Some people also feel that real-world projects are limited compared to traditional bootcamps. So who is DataCamp best for? It's perfect for beginners, career changers, and professionals who want flexible, hands-on learning. It is not ideal for those who prefer in-person teaching or deep theory. If you stay consistent, the value can be massive. If this review helped you decide, subscribe for more honest tech and education reviews.